Okay, so you're gonna start by unscrew those screws right here. We got 4 of them. And just here. After that, you just unclip the 4 spot right here, here, and here. Just pull it. Now you got 2 more screws right here, right here. After that, you can lift the whole console up and just. Okay, so now I recommend a 10mm wrench to unscrew those 4 bolts. So now you got 6 bolts, just unscrew them. You got 2 right here, 2 others here, and here, and 2 others are back right here. Okay, so I just lift it up and remove that C-clip right here. This C-clip. Remove it. You're gonna be able to remove the whole shifter assembly. It's gonna be easier to get to the 2 bolts in the back. Okay, so I had okay, so I had to remove 2 C-clips. There's the first one with the 2 holes, and this one after. So now I'm just gonna pull it gently. Okay, so now the OEM shifter assembly is off, and I'm gonna put some liquid gasket over here to seal everything in place. Okay, so I just did everything I did to remove it, but in reverse. So the new shifter assembly is now in. Don't forget to put a little liquid gasket between the shifter assembly and the transmission. And yeah, you're done. Just bolt everything up. Okay, so now everything is back in place, and that's how it looks.